This is what I would do if I wanted to increase my email revenue by up to 20 to 50% as fast as I could in 2024 and beyond. The first thing I would do is start taking care of email deliverability. I mean, what's the point of optimizing the rest of the emails if your subscribers are not seeing them in the first place? To do that, make sure you are getting rid of inactive subscribers, inactive email addresses, and always make sure you set up the correct DNS records such as SPF, DKIM, and DMARC. Second step is segmentation. Make sure that you are not sending everybody the same email. Start segmenting your list based on their behavior, engagement level, purchase history, event attendance, demographics, and so on and so forth. Make sure that you are always segmenting because the more personalized your emails, the better the results will be. And step number 3, which is not least of importance, is copywriting. Make sure that you are not always writing with the intention of selling. Make sure that you are engaging people, entertaining them, and making your emails sound conversational. Let your sales page do the heavy lifting and use your emails as a tool to pre-sell.